K5 installed for Convex CL-10AD 10.1 inch Android Master Lite series with OEM universal casing. Okay, screen pop-up function. Screen will fix outside of panel. Connect with OEM canbus socket. Bypass original sound system. Bypass original audio M system. Android version 6.0. 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Radio. Steering wheel control. A mode function. So it's got a 3 USB slot. One SD card slot in the body, so you have to insert SD card before your installation. Connect with phone hotspot with player Wi-Fi for internet. Then you can download app from Play Store, Waze, Google Maps. Connect Bluetooth. After pairing with your phone, then you can click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Car setting, password 3368. So you can do the setting. So the beat sound key tune, so you can turn off, turn on. Aux video input and video output. Equalizer setting. Okay, so this is Convex 10.1 inch CL-10AD installed in K5 with OEM socket canvas, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.